Hi everyone, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I am here tonight to share some cards that I created using this sweet stamp set from Waffle Flower Crafts. It's called Little Bakers, and you can find it on the Waffle Flower Crafts website. And they have some new releases coming out that they showed at Creativation and also on their Instagram feed. And they have some really cute stuff coming out also. Aside from that set that I just had to purchase. I don't purchase very many things anymore because I have such a nice stash of stamps, but I really had to have this one. So this is a card that I made for my mom, and I used a little stamp that is from a company that is out of business now, but it says, "Mom, I love you," and I'm going to give this one to my mom for Valentine's Day. And I did do some doodling on some of the images. I used a black Copic multiliner, and Jennifer McGuire had done a video one time where she showed using Copic multiliners to add things to your stamps. So I did play around with that a little bit, that idea. And then I made this one here, and this one uses the cute little girl image where she's holding that sweet pan of heart-shaped cookies. I added some doodling to the apron, some little black scallops on the apron, and I put little bows in her hair. So, and then this one says, "You make life sweet," and that is an old wood stamp that I got from a Muse Art many years ago. So, and then this card here is a birthday card that I made for my sister. This one has some mistakes on it that I tried to correct, but you can. It's not perfect. You can tell some of the Copic multiliner actually ran when I was coloring around it. So you have to be really careful if you're going to use a Copic multiliner. But you know, one of the things about handmade cards is they don't have to be 100% perfect. You took the time to make it, and I know my sister will appreciate this card for her birthday. It says, "It's your special day," and that is a stamp from Paper Tray Ink. I think it's from the stamp set that's called For You, and it's a happy birthday stamp set. So, and but this one has a little bit of everything from that stamp set, including that cute mason jar. And I don't know if you can tell, but I added some Wink of Stella to different parts of this image so it glistens. So that one's going to go to my sister. And then the last one is kind of similar to one of the other ones I showed you. It again uses the sweet girl with the pan of cookies, and I did add some bows to her hair on this one. And I used a cute polka dot paper in that same sentiment, "You make life sweet." So just these 4 cards to share with you today. And I wanted to say also that I had gotten some gifts from at Christmas time, and I had filmed them, and my SD card that I filmed them on, it wouldn't upload, so I had to go buy a new SD card for my camera. And I don't think, I can't refilm the videos because I already put everything away, and there's no way I can figure out, you know, what gift went with what thing. But I had already thanked everybody individually that had sent things, but just a shout out to Tammy and Rhonda and Susan and Kat, who all have sent me things, you know. And I will say this, you guys, I have so much stuff. I don't need anything. God bless you all for thinking of me. I'm always so touched and just, you know, so very sweet people sending me things. And, you know, feel free to drop me a card if you want. I love receiving cards, but don't feel like you have to send me anything. I have so much stuff. And I know how expensive the shipping is. So, anyway, God bless you all. Everybody that thinks of me, you're the sweetest people in the world. And I just want to give a shout out to all my friends and family members that are fighting cancer right now. There's way too many of them. So to Jen Del Muro, to Susan Laverty, and to Sheila, and then in my family to Jolie and Lisa and to Brenda, that are, you know, some of them fighting cancer more than one time here where it's spread, and just in a really a fight for their lives. So I'm sending prayers And really just asking everybody, you know, choose joy, like we said at Christmas. Choose joy, you guys. Count your blessings, and let's all pray for the people that are really struggling health-wise. I'll be back with you soon, I hope. God bless us, everyone. Bye now.